what a blessing from the Lord that I found someone who is a perfect fit for me so early in my life. My love for you is as endless as the ocean and as timeless as the tides. I vow that my love for you will never come to an end.
My darling Stephanie, I didn't know the world could be beautiful until I met you. And I'm here to assure you that all your efforts paid off, that you made the lives of everyone you meet a little better, especially mine.
Sabi nga ni Mama, nag-Nido wedding ako. Bakit yung post-wedding party Tagaytay, nahihirapan na naman yung mga tao pumunta. We like to go outdoors as well. So we want to celebrate our wedding with you somewhere beautiful. Kasi we feel that when we're with nature, we feel closer to God.
Together with you here present, we would like to give them our blessing. Our help is in the name of the Lord who made heaven and earth. They are no longer two but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. Look with favor on Rommel and Stephanie, whom you have united in marriage. As they ask for your help and the protection of the Virgin Mary, they pray that in good times and in bad, they will grow in love for each other, that they will resolve to be one heart in the bond of peace.
Because forever means forever. I love you now and always.